In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the Vantage app. By the end, you'll know exactly which details to use and what to expect on the screen so you can get to your dashboard smoothly and start trading with confidence. First, make sure you have the official Vantage Trading app installed on your Android or iPhone. Open the app to land on the welcome screen. If you're returning to an existing account, choose Log In. That's important. Log In is for users who already registered, while Sign Up creates a brand new account, so stick with Log In if you've signed up before. Next, you'll be asked to enter your account details. Use the same method you originally registered with. If you created a client portal account, type in your email address or your phone number, followed by your password. Keep an eye on capitalization, special characters, and any spaces. Passwords are case sensitive, and small typos are the most common reason a login fails. If you signed up using a trading account such as MT4 or MT5, enter those trading credentials in the appropriate fields instead. The key is to match the login method to how you first set up your Vantage access. When your details are in, tap Sign In. You may see a brief verification process. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. Don't tap back or close the app while it's working. In just a moment, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can view your accounts, balances, and tools. If the app asks you to confirm any basic preferences the first time you log in, follow the on-screen prompts and continue to your main view. If something doesn't go through on the first try, double-check that you selected Log In instead of Sign Up. Confirm you're using the same email, phone number, or trading account you registered with, and make sure there aren't any typos. A stable internet connection also helps the verification complete quickly. To recap, the flow is simple. Open the Vantage app, choose Log In on the welcome screen, enter your registered email or phone with your password or your MT4, MT5 login, if that's how you set it up, and then tap Sign In. Wait for the quick verification and you'll land on your dashboard ready to go. That's all you need to log into the Vantage app confidently and without confusion. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section while you follow along in the app. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trading experience.